Hi everyone, are you tired of a slow, overpriced AI video tools? Meet the Vidful AI. It is the fastest, most powerful free AI video generator that is available today. With Vidful AI, you can generate high-quality AI videos in minutes. You can transform images into videos with stunning realism. You can create AI-powered animation like dancing, hugging, and seamless transition. And lastly, you can access insider tricks to maximize your free credits and even remove watermarks. So why pay an expensive tools when you can create professional AI videos for free? Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to instant creativity. So try the Vidful AI now. And you have also the AI tools to level up your content. You can use also the Leonardo AI. It is the ultimate AI art generator for creating stunning, high quality images and artworks. It's perfect for thumbnails, backgrounds, and more. Search Leonardo AI on Chrome or visit their links. And the number two is the AI voiceover or 11 Labs. It generates realistic, natural sounding AI voiceover for your videos, audiobooks, and narrations. Search Even Love's AI voiceover on Chrome or visit their website. Then, the number three is the vidIQ. It is your secret weapon for YouTube growth. Get a AI-driven insight, keyword suggestions, and analytics to boost your views. Search vidIQ AI YouTube tools. And then four is the Notion AI. It is a supercharge for your workflow with AI powered note taking, task management, and content writing tools. Search Notion AI on Chrome or visit their website. The number five is the AI thumbnails or the pixels. Create a click-worthy AI-generated thumbnails that boost your video's engagement and CTR. And then search for Pixels AI thumbnails on Chrome. The number six is the CapCut. It is a powerful yet easy-to-use video editor with AI tools, effects, and transition that make your videos look professional. Search CapCut AI video editor on Chrome or visit their links. And then this is the game-changing AI tools is everything you've been waiting for. Try it now and take your video AI creation to the next level. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!